Is this fat blaster brain molecule the key to shocking weight loss? Do you have stored body fat that you have tried to get rid of in the past but nothing worked? If the answer is yes, the following breakthrough information will change everything you know about losing weight. Addressing the root cause of leptin resistance may be one of the most important things you could do today for weight loss results now and well into old age. Introducing LeptoConnect, the only 100% natural blend designed to help you lose fat by supporting the good functioning of your leptin receptors. Here's what makes LeptoConnect so powerful. The 3 sacred medicinal mushrooms used for centuries as food for the brain and body. First, there's maitake, known as the king of mushrooms, once hunted and consumed by the Japanese samurai, who used to dance when they'd finally find it. Maitake contains a magic active element known as diffraction, which helps your body to burn fat, instead of storing it. Shiitake is a wild black mushroom that helps with brain tissue growth and has been proven to influence the dietary receptors. During an experiment, shiitake have been found to help inhibit fat storage even in subjects fed a high-calorie diet. Specialists believe the shroom can help maintain healthy cholesterol levels too. Last but not least, reishi, called the supreme protector, is great because it supports brain receptors and mental health. From Brazil and Africa, we've added graviola leaves, or the Brazilian pau-pau, which come from a small evergreen tree and are rich in antioxidants. And the Pygeum africanum, or the African cherry. This small fruit contains special phytosterols, nutrients that support improve intercellular communication and may help support the leptin satiety signals. As an added bonus, Pygeum africanum is believed to further support libido levels. Last but not least, LeptoConnect also contains 3 more enhancers that, when combined with the fat-blasting mushrooms, increase their effectiveness. Red raspberries, full of powerful antioxidants to help support good health. Cat's claw supports a healthy digestive system. Saw palmetto, which also has numerous health benefits. To make everything even more powerful, we've also added 5-star vitamins to fully support the body through the entire process and prevent any nutrient deficiency. Vitamin B6 for tonified, glowing skin. Zinc to support a healthy immune system and hormonal balance. Vitamin E to support having strong eyes and good-looking nails. And copper to support bone strength. Plus, the final touch, green tea. How safe is LeptoConnect? We've sourced the purest, highest quality 18 plant extracts and vitamins and put the exact quantities into an easy-to-swallow capsule to take once a day. Every capsule is manufactured in the USA, in our FDA-approved and GMP-certified facility, under sterile, strict and precise standards. LeptoConnect capsules are non-GMO and safe. They do not contain any dangerous stimulants or toxins, and they are not habit-forming. And even though losing weight with LeptoConnect is as easy as ABC, this unique formula is extremely powerful. Because it does not only help you melt pounds of raw, ugly fat day after day, leaving your stomach fat and toned. It is also meant to support your health from head to toe, without you needing to starve yourself or give up your favorite snacks and treats. In order to achieve the same dramatic improvements in your hunger and weight is to start using LeptoConnect as soon as possible. The solution is much simpler than you'd think. And you can get access to everything in the next 90 seconds. If you're ready to give up the burden of your belly fat, and bring excitement, comfort and satisfaction back into your life. If you're ready to say yes to this big change, you first need to ask yourself,